Here is the glimpse of my next adventure of Operation Furball Extraction. The distress signal came in at 0900 hours. It was a fluffy ginger kitten. A ground assault was impossible. I needed an aerial extraction vehicle immediately. So I engineered the ultimate long-range glider from standard A4 paper. I checked the living room air currents. The flight was turbulent. The kitten took a leap of faith. I pulled back on the wings. The target is secure. Smash that subscribe button for next week's high dangerous adventures.